AI in 2026 and beyond. What you need to know. Imagine waking up in 2026 to a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just assist humans. It partners with us in every aspect of our lives. From AI-driven healthcare predicting illnesses before symptoms appear to smart cities operating efficiently and sustainably, the future is no longer far off. It's unfolding right before our eyes. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss insights into the technology shaping our future. Artificial intelligence has evolved from a novelty to a necessity. By 2026, AI is a cornerstone in industries, governance, and daily life, providing solutions that were once unimaginable. Its ability to process massive datasets, generate creative outputs, and make predictive analyses is changing the way we work, learn, and live. To better understand the landscape, here are the key areas where AI is making the biggest impact. 1. AI in healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare in 2026. Predictive analytics, personalized treatment plans, and AI-assisted surgeries are no longer futuristic concepts. They are current realities. AI algorithms can now analyze genetic information to predict potential illnesses, and machine learning models help doctors identify diseases at their earliest stages. Telemedicine platforms powered by AI are reaching remote areas, bringing advanced healthcare to regions that previously lacked access. AI isn't replacing doctors. It's enhancing their abilities, enabling faster diagnoses and more accurate treatments. 2. AI and the workforce. The integration of AI into the workforce is profound. Routine administrative tasks, data analysis, and even complex problem-solving are increasingly automated. However, this shift creates new opportunities for humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. Emerging roles in AI oversight, ethics, and system management are reshaping job markets. Understanding these changes is vital for professionals who want to stay relevant in a world where human-AI collaboration is the norm. 3. Generative AI and creativity. By 2026, generative AI has transformed how we create. From writing articles and composing music to designing graphics and building immersive virtual environments, AI is accelerating creative processes. This has sparked debates about authorship and intellectual property, but has also empowered creators to innovate faster and on a larger scale. For educators, marketers, and entrepreneurs, generative AI enables tailored solutions that were previously impossible. Imagine AI crafting personalized learning experiences for students or generating content that adapts to real-time consumer behavior. 4. Ethical AI and security. With great power comes great responsibility. AI's integration into surveillance, cybersecurity, and fraud detection is both powerful and controversial. Governments, corporations, and individuals must balance innovation with privacy, fairness, and accountability. Ethical AI frameworks are emerging, aiming to reduce bias, ensure transparency, and protect personal freedoms. Staying informed about AI ethics is as crucial as understanding its technical capabilities, as these considerations shape societal norms and legal regulations. 5. Education and lifelong learning. AI is reshaping education in unprecedented ways. Adaptive learning platforms now assess individual strengths and weaknesses in real time, offering personalized content and exercises. AI tutors can provide one-on-one guidance at scale, making learning more effective and accessible globally. Beyond traditional academics, AI assists with personal development, productivity strategies, and even mental health support. For students and professionals alike, AI-driven education is opening doors to lifelong learning opportunities that were unimaginable a decade ago. 6. AI in smart homes and daily life. In 2026, AI is embedded in everyday life more deeply than ever. Smart homes now anticipate residents' needs, adjusting lighting, temperature, and energy use automatically. AI assistants manage schedules, provide reminders, and suggest optimized daily routines. Connected devices communicate seamlessly, creating an ecosystem that improves comfort, efficiency, and sustainability. From grocery delivery predictions to personalized entertainment recommendations, AI makes daily life smarter and more intuitive. 7. AI and climate solutions. AI isn't just transforming lifestyles, it's helping solve global challenges. Predictive models optimize renewable energy grids, reduce carbon emissions, and enhance disaster response systems. AI-driven logistics and transportation networks minimize environmental impact while improving efficiency. In 2026, AI plays a crucial role in addressing climate change, demonstrating that technology and sustainability can work hand in hand. 8. AI and human-AI collaboration. The future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about collaboration. AI handles data-heavy tasks, pattern recognition, and repetitive work, freeing humans to focus on strategic decision-making, creativity, and empathy-driven problem-solving. By 2026, this synergy is crucial in sectors such as healthcare, education, business, and entertainment. Understanding how to work alongside AI is now an essential skill for success. 9. AI in transportation and smart cities. Self-driving vehicles, AI-managed traffic systems, and predictive public transportation networks are transforming urban life. Cities in 2026 are becoming smarter, safer, and more efficient, with AI optimizing energy use, traffic flow, and resource allocation. This not only improves daily commuting, but also reduces carbon footprints and enhances overall quality of life. 10. Preparing for the AI future. To thrive in 2026 and beyond, individuals and organizations must embrace lifelong learning, adaptability, and ethical awareness. Upskilling in AI literacy, understanding AI ethics, and developing creativity alongside technical skills are essential. Whether you are a student, professional, or entrepreneur, staying informed about AI trends is critical to leveraging its transformative power. In conclusion, AI in 2026 is no longer a futuristic idea. It is a present reality that is reshaping healthcare, education, creativity, security, and nearly every aspect of our daily lives. Its potential is limitless, offering opportunities to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, from early disease detection to climate change solutions, smarter cities, and personalized learning experiences. At the same time, this extraordinary power comes with significant responsibilities. Ethical considerations, privacy, fairness, and accountability are no longer optional. They are essential. Navigating this new AI-driven world requires more than technical knowledge. It demands adaptability, critical thinking, and an openness to change. Those who understand how to collaborate with AI, harness its capabilities responsibly, and make informed decisions will have the greatest advantage in shaping the future. Moreover, AI challenges us to rethink what it means to be human, how we work, create, and connect with one another in an increasingly automated and intelligent environment. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on AI in 2026. Share this video with friends and colleagues who are eager to understand the future of technology. The AI revolution is not coming, it's here, and how we respond today will define the opportunities and challenges of tomorrow. Stay curious, stay aware, and step confidently into the AI-powered world that is unfolding all around us.